Let me share with you guys one of my traders bank amazing profit, 154 pips this morning, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which I broadcast. As you can see here, hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, so technically this is the last week of the month, so just be careful if you're already in profit of the rest of the weeks, so trade safely. But we manage amazing profit guys. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I help them through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I manage amazing profit today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD this morning, we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. You can see here price came back and retest the support level. That was a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, we bank amazing profit, and afterwards we also had a counter short trade here. Let me share with you the entries and exit. So if you look at here, that was a pretty standard and straightforward. This morning we had a few challenges, but after that, as always mentioned to my trader, look for after the breakout, and after the breakout look for pullback. So these are the point of interest. I explained my trader, look, if the price gonna break, then it's gonna be continue or very short here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout price retest without the changing color of the candlestick. Momentum is bullish. That was a beautiful long trade here. Price nicely hit to the 4-hour target, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit and take afterwards and pull any pullback. So you can see after banking some profit, we also had a pullback. But at the New York session, just before the opening bell, price was at the major resistance level. That's what I explained. Let's see, as mentioned here, you can see here, if the price gonna break, then keep taking a long, otherwise possibility of short. And you can see here, price develop a rising wedge. Once the price was at this level, we have another confirmation. You can see here, head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout short trade. Price nicely hit to the profit target and banks amazing profit. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. That was the beautiful trade guys. And if you look at the pound dollar at the market open, we had a short trade here, bank amazing profit. And if you look at here, price respected here, and almost respected here. We had a long trade here, and we have amazing long trade. And as you can see here, price nicely respected here, develop a false breakout. We also had a short trade here. Now I'm going to show you all these short, long, and short trade entries and exit based on the 4-hour analysis. That was amazing guys, blessing peeping on the cable. Okay, so you can see that was the pretty standard straightforward breakout at the market open. After the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback, bank amazing profit. Price hit to the support level in 4-hour, bank amazing profit, and afterwards look for another pattern. As you can see here, price developed low high, pretty standard symmetry triangle pattern. We have another major support level at the 4-hour, price broken and retest, give us the confirmation. Beautiful long trade here, and afterwards pullback once the price was developing, respecting this level. And that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. And let's see what sort of pattern is going to develop. As you can see here, price develop another rising wedge, and price was at the major support level in 4-hour, price broken. We have a head and shoulder pattern. That was the beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see here such amazing trade on pound dollar, dollar CAD, beautiful. At the market open, we had this beautiful long trade here, because you can see here price respected here after this breakout the previous high. That was a long trade here. And if you look at here, price nicely respected the previous high. We also had a counter short trade here, bank amazing profit at this level. Let me explain to you all that entries and exit in intraday. That was the beautiful trade, beautiful guys. You can see here at the market open, that was the pretty standard. You can see here, pretty straightforward, beautiful pullback long trade, bank amazing profit. That was the end. And at the London morning, as always, look for pullback, but if the price gonna break, that's what I explained, look for another short trade here, because price developed double top here and broken, and after retest, you can see here price broken, and you can see here price retested without the changing color of the candlestick. That's what I explained, my trader guys. Get ready for counter short trade. We have a major resistance, price nicely broken the recent low, and beautiful short trade. Bank amazing profit, guys. After banking this profit, as always, look for another pullback. Pretty standard. You can see one pullback, second pullback. That was a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share with you guys one of my traders bank amazing profit, 154 pips this morning, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which I broadcast. As you can see here, he mainly focused on cable, pound dollar, and pound yen, because that was amazing trade this morning. So he banked 150. As you can see, 24, 15 losing, some of them losing 15, 20, 25, 20, all of these pips. If you look at the pound dollar, pound yen, let me share with you the pound yen trade here, and you can see here pound yen trade, all this one, the entry, he's taken it, and he has taken a short close as soon as the price hit to the 25 pips. Bank amazing profit. And all these trades like pound yen, pretty standard. You can see here this morning we had a price respected here, developed double top here. He has taken all this long and keep taking it and bank some profit until the price hit to the major resistance level. And let me share with you all these trades. You can see here pound yen, pound dollar, beautiful blessing trades, guys, we had this morning. You can see here that was the breakout trade here that morning, and after the breakout we have another symmetry triangle pattern breakout, short trade, pullback, pullbacks, because now we have a major price respected the major support. Beautiful. We have a bullish engulfing candle, keep taking a pullbacks. That's what he did. You can see here, and you can see here we also had a counter short trade at this level. Beautiful short trade, guys. I hope, guys, you enjoy all these analysis, and important part and interesting part, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. So if you are struggling in forex trading and you would like to develop your trading skill in a live market real time, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.